Hence, in this lecture, we will be continuing with the problems till the concepts, whatever we have learned till now. All these questions have come in the JEE exam. If you practice that, you will be having one clear-cut idea how to do the models. There are all the models completed in this set, all the type of models, and no model will be away from this content. If you are good at all these type of models, then you can solve all the questions with respect to the exam, whether it may be NEET or JEE or advanced. Okay. For NEET it will be somewhat less. For JEE mains and advanced it will be this pattern. Okay. So let us go into the topic now. H2 in the gaseous state plus I2 in the gaseous state, it is converting into 2HI in the gaseous state. This is the equation what he has mentioned, and he is telling 0.2 grams of H2, this one, 2.54 grams of I2, okay, and 2.56 grams of HI, this one, are obtained at equilibrium. At the equilibrium point, okay, you are getting these values. This much weight of that particular one is present in a 1 liter vessel. The vessel is of 1 liter. You are having a container. You are getting all these values at the equilibrium point. Calculate Kc and Kp for the reaction. He is asking Kc and Kp for this particular reaction. So be clear with the students, what whenever you take in the equation, you will be taking not the initial one. Here any problem, whatever the values you are taking, that will be only the value obtained at the equilibrium only. Okay, you remember this, value obtained in the equilibrium only you will be keeping in the problems, not the initial volumes whatever you are taking. Initially you may be taking how much, it is not bothered. At equilibrium point, how much you are getting, those values are only placed in the equation, because this is equilibrium chapter, right? Okay, let me go into the solution once I am solving this. He has mentioned the atomic mass of iodine is 127, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So this is the equation, H2 plus I2, it gives rise to 2HI. So at equilibrium, what is mentioning? Weight. This is the weight. The weight of H2 at equilibrium, it is 0.2. I2 is 2.54 and HI is 2.56. If you want to convert weight into moles, what you will be doing? Weight by molecular weight. You know very well that. Already you have done this in gaseous state. N is equal to weight by molecular weight. So it is 0.2 by, what is the molecular weight of H2? It is 2. Next 2.54 by, what is the iodine atomic weight? So you are having 127. So you are having 2 iodines, it is 254. HI weight is 2.56 grams he has mentioned, and HI, don't take 2 here. This is only HI, right? HI it is 126. Hydrogen is 1, iodine is 127, right? So approximately you will be getting there for the calculation I have taken. Iodine is 127, right? 127 plus 128 it will become. Okay, for the simple calculation I have taken in this way. So you calculate the moles. What happens? 0.2 by 2 it is 0.1, 2.54 by 254 you are getting this moles. 2.56 approximately you are getting 0.02. These are the number of moles you are getting. But while writing the equation, what you will be taking? You will be taking concentration, right? So concentration is equal to N by V. So what is the volume of the vessel? This is 1 liter. So it is 0.1 by 1. 0.01 by 1, 0.02 by 1. So that what you are getting? You are getting the concentration, right? So N by V for H2 is 0.1, N by V means concentration for I2 is 0.01, concentration of this one is 0.02. So if you write the equilibrium constant for this reaction, what it happens? HI, this one HI, products square by H2 whole power 1, I2 whole power 1. So what is the concentration of HI now? This is 0.02 by 1 whole square by H2 is 0.01 by 1, I2 is 0.1 by 1. So it is square 0.02 into 0.02 by 0.01, this one into 0.1. So on calculating that you will be getting the Kc value, this one 0.4. So among these two you will be having the answers, because Kc is asking, right? First Kc 0.4 you have got here. Okay, now you should go for the value, calculating the Kp value. Kp value means you know relation that Kp is equal to Kc into RT whole power delta N, and you calculate the delta N value. Delta N is nothing but number of moles of products minus number of moles of reactants. So number of moles of products it is 2 minus number of moles of reactants, this is 1 and 1. So this is 1 plus 1, so it is 2 minus 2. Delta N is equal to 2, 0. So Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta N. Delta N is 0, anything to the power 0 is 1. So that what happens? This is Kc into 1. So Kp will be equal to Kc. I know that Kc value is 0.4. Then automatically Kp value also will be equal to 0.4. So the answer will be C. Okay, students, I hope that you are understanding the way. First, whatever the weight is present, you convert into moles. Moles are present, convert into concentration. Okay, weight converted to moles, moles converted to concentration, because you are writing here concentration, right? You want concentration here. So first convert that weight, whatever that is present, into the concentration terms, then you calculate the equilibrium constant value. Okay, once you do this, I am reading out the question here. H2 in the gaseous state plus I2 in the gaseous state, you are getting equilibrium with 2 moles of HI. What is mentioning? 3 moles of H2, 3 moles of I2 are kept in a 10-liter vessel. Okay, if Kp for the reaction is at 25 degrees centigrade is 49, find the number of moles of I2 at the equilibrium. See, I am repeating the question again. H2 plus I2 gives us 2 HI. 3 moles of H2 and 3 moles of I2 are kept in a 10-liter vessel. You are taking a vessel of 10 liters and you are placing 3 moles of H2 and 3 moles of I2. See, is he mentioning 3 moles of H2 is present at the equilibrium? No, he is not mentioning that one at the equilibrium. Initially, in 10-liter vessel, he has taken this one. Okay, this is not the equilibrium condition. If Kp for the reaction is 25 degrees centigrade, what is telling? Kp is 25 degrees centigrade is 49. Okay, Kp has mentioned, find the number of moles of I2 at equilibrium at 25 degrees centigrade. He is asking the number of moles of I2, okay, at the equilibrium. So these are the options. You pause the video and you recollect all the content, whatever that has been said till now. Solve that by using that. If you are unable to do that, you can see here. If you are able to solve that and check out the answer. Okay, pause the video and you do that. Okay, I am going to explain the answer now. See, H2 plus I2, it is forming 2 HI. Okay, what he is telling, H2 is 3 moles, initially he is taking, I2 is 3 moles and 2 HI, it is 0. See, 1 mole, here it is there, no, here also 1 mole, you are getting here 2 moles. Initially it is 1 mole, let us take some amount has been gone, that amount is X. Okay, already whatever the coefficient is there, that one will be removed. So it is 1 has gone, 1 is present, 1x. Here 1 is present, 1. So it is 1x. So initially 3 moles, 3 minus 1x, some has gone. Here also 3 moles minus 1x. So how much gone? X is gone here. Here how many moles are there? 2 moles into x. So you are getting, this is the pattern. So this is what you are getting. This is the moles. 3 minus 1x, 3 minus 1x, 2 into x. Based on the stoichiometric coefficients you will be getting. So if you want the concentration, these are the number of moles, right? He has not mentioned, he has directly mentioned moles. Okay, moles by volume is concentration, right? Concentration is 3 minus x by 10, 3 minus x by 10, 2x by 10. This is the concentration. Now if you want to calculate concentration, so in question that is something what he has mentioned, Kp. So instead of Kp, you take it as Kc. So take it as Kc, not Kp. Kc for the reaction is 49, right? So what you are taking Hi. Hi is how much? 2x by 10 whole square, because this one Hi square, right? H2, what is this? 3 minus x by 10. I2, 3 minus x by 10. Solve this so that 10, you will be getting 2x whole square by 10 square. 10 square means here 10 into 10, here also 10 into 10. So these two will be cancelled with 10 square. So 2x whole square by 3 minus x whole square. So we know that Kc value is 49. So 2x by 3 minus x whole square is equal to 49. If you send this square, that side, what happens? Root. So it becomes 2x by 3 minus x is equal to 7. 2x will be equal to 7 into 3 minus x. It is 7 3 is 21 minus 7x. So 9x will be equal to, if you send this one, it will become 9x. 9x will be equal to 21. X will be equal to 21 by 9. X is equal to 7 by 3. It is 2.33. Okay. Answer is not 2.33. X is 2.33. What is the question now? How much of iodine is left out? He is asking iodine should be present. How much iodine is present at the equilibrium? So this much has been gone. Okay, this much amount has been gone. So this is 3 minus x. X has been gone. How much is remained? 3 minus x if we calculate, that will be remaining. So iodine remain at equilibrium. It is 3 minus x. This is the content what is remaining. Okay, number of moles remained. This is concentration. He is asking number of moles of iodine remained. 3 minus x. And we know x value is 2.33. So it is 3 minus 2.33, 0.66. So answer will be C. So students, I hope that some of you have done this problem in the correct manner. Thank you. Let us go for one more model. So this is the one more model, N2 plus 3H2. It is in equilibrium with 2NH3. Okay. If 1 mole of N2, 3 moles of H2 are made to react in a 4-liter vessel. So initially he is taking this one, 1 mole of N2, 3 moles of H2. Initially this one are made to react in a 4-liter vessel. So because he is not mentioning anything at equilibrium. If 25% of the N2 converts to NH3, means 25% has been gone. We are taking X now generally. Here he is mentioning how much, what is the X value? It is 25%. Find the Kc. Okay. So options are 2 power 7, 3 power 7, 2 power 10, 3 power 7, 2 power 7, 3 power 10, 2 power 10, 3 power 10. Okay. Let us go into the solving of this problem. First you try to solve yourself by passing the video. After that you check out the answer. N2 plus 3H2, it gives us 2NH3. See how many moles of N2 are there? It is 1 mole. How many moles of H2 are there? It is 3 moles. This is the general balanced equation. So this is 1 mole. Something is going, right? How much it is going? Last we will substitute. Let us assume this is X is going. So 1 mole it is present. 1 minus how much it is going? 1x. Here you are having how many? This one you have taken 3 moles. So it is 3 minus you are having 3 moles. So it is 3x. Suppose let me take here it is 4 moles. Assumption. So what you will be getting? This is 1 mole and this is 4 moles you will be having. So from 1 mole it is 1 minus x. You are having 4 moles means 4 minus 3x. Okay. How much? This one is not dependent on this one. Don't think that here you have taken, that's why you are taking 3x. No. This 3 you are getting as it is a stoichiometric coefficient. Let us assume that this is 10 moles and this is 8 moles. What happens now? Here you will be getting 10 minus x. Because 1x this is, because 1 mole it is going. So this one 10, from 10 you are removing 1x. Suppose if you are taking 8 here, 8 minus 3x you are getting, because this 3 is from stoichiometric coefficient. Accidentally we have taken 1 and 3 commonly here. Okay, whatever you are taking from that you will be removing the 3 times of that this one. This one is 1 time. Okay, so that you will be getting, you are removing x, right? So that you will be getting 2 into x. This is what? Number of moles. If you go for the concentration, number of moles by volume, right? So it is 1 minus x by 4, 3 minus 3x by 4, this is 2x by 4. So that Kc will be equal to, write the equation NH3 whole power taken twice, N2 whole power 1, H2 whole power 3. And you know that NH3 whole power square is 2x by 4 whole square, 1 minus x by 4 whole power 1, 3 minus 3x by 4 whole power cube. Okay. So that if you solve the entire thing, basing slowly, you will be getting these values. Now directly here, instead of x, what is the x value? 0.25. He is saying 25%, right? 25 by 100, it is 0.25. So it is 2 into 0.25 by 4. Here 1 minus 0.25 by 4. Here 3 into 3 into 3 minus 3 into 0.25 by 4 whole power cube. Now you solve this entire thing, you will be getting the answer as 2 power 10 by 3 power 7. So the answer will be second option. So answer is B. This is the way of doing this one, students, and you are having all the problems itself now, all the models. We will be taking this model today for the last, and tomorrow we will be continuing with the remaining models, as well as some content of degree of dissociation is present. We will be dealing in the tomorrow class. So the last problem for this session, SO2 plus NO2 gas, it is in equilibrium with SO3 plus NO gas. The equilibrium constant for this reaction is 16. If 1 mole of each of the 4 gases is enclosed in a vessel, see, starting only he is telling 1 moles of each of these things are present in a 1 liter vessel. Find the equilibrium constant for NO. Okay, equilibrium concentration, this is not constant, equilibrium concentration of NO. Okay, again I am repeating, this is the equation. The equilibrium constant he has given, Kc, it is 16. Initially, starting only, he has taken 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole. Okay, 1 mole of each of the reactions is enclosed in a vessel, and vessel volume is 1 liter. He is asking to find the equilibrium concentration. At equilibrium is there, no? At equilibrium, what is the concentration of NO? NO concentration, this concentration at equilibrium he is asking. Okay, these are the options. If you have any idea regarding this, you can solve this, students. So I am going for the explanation of answer now. SO2 plus NO2 is in equilibrium with SO3 plus NO. Okay. Initially what he is telling, all are 1 moles. This is 1 mole, this is 1 mole, this is 1 mole, this is 1 mole. Okay. So at equilibrium what happens? Some amount will be gone, right? So I am taking X amount has gone. As you are having 1 mole, it is 1 minus 1x. Here 1 mole minus 1x. Here it is 1 mole. here x has been coming, right? Here it has gone, so it is 1 plus x. So here 1 plus, if you are having 2 moles, it will become 2x, right? You are having only 1, so it is x. Concentration means moles by volume, right? You are taking in a 1 liter vessel, so it is 1 minus x by 1, 1 minus x by 1, 1 plus x by 1, 1 plus x by 1. Now you do the Kc, NO concentration into SO3 by SO2 concentration into NO2 will be equal to, the Kc value is 16. NO value is 1 plus x by 1, 1 plus x by 1, this one 1 plus x by 1, 1 plus x by 1 by 1 minus x by 1, 1 minus x by 1. And you know that 1 plus x, 2 are there, so it is 1 plus x whole square. Here 1 minus x whole square. So that you will be getting the value, if you send root, it will become 4. So that 1 plus x is equal to 4 into 4 minus x, x value will be 3 by 5. What he is asking, he is the concentration asking at the equilibrium, right? So this is the condition what he is asking. He is not asking the number of moles, he is asking the concentration. So it is 1 plus 3 by 5 by 1. So it is 1 plus 3 by 5, it is 8 by 5. 8 by 5 approximately will be equal to 1.6 moles per liter. So obviously the answer is this one.